Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Srinidhi and I hope you're all doing good. This video is like an episode where we'll be talking about random stuffs. It will also include books, but not concentratedly we'll be talking about books, but also the other topics revolving around books. So I'm naming this episode as Thoughts Over Coffee or anything that is your favorite beverage. So pick up your coffee or tea and let's start this video. This video is going to be obviously about how to become a reader. I think I did a post about it, like you can develop a reading habit, yes, but I think this episode going to discuss it more deeply. This is one of the topics that I really struggled when I was during the initial days of my reading period, and it was kind of hard because what struggles that I found was kind of I wish someone would have told me that ye pado, and whenever I searched the YouTube channels or when I was searching for the correct video, I was not getting the video at all, the video which I really wanted. So some things that I would have missed and I wish someone would have told me while I was starting my reading journey. So this is the right video if you are a beginner. When I was a beginner, I remember my English teacher gave me a book which was a very different genre. I don't know about the book, but it's about two people who are finding the treasure in the mountains. It's kind of like it's a fiction book, and I didn't really like the book. After just reading, see, I while I was reading that book, I was like forced, and I didn't really enjoy it. So I always say to any of my friends who wants to read books is, when you are reading a book, you should not feel forced, but rather you should feel enjoyed. And it didn't happen to me, and it was like continuing it prolonged for like the rest of the four books which I was trying to read, and none of them did provide me any enjoyment or the satisfaction of reading a book. So once I read Harry Potter, which was kind of changed my reading journey or reading habit completely. Why I'm trying to say this is, if you are a reader, you don't, I mean, first is don't just give up. There's nothing called as giving up when it comes to reading journey if you're a beginner, because when you are a beginner you are trying to explore options and you don't know which one to settle on. Later on I found that my favorite is thriller, so it will take some time for to know what's your favorite genre is, and it might be kind of difficult and it might take some time. What I'm trying to say is don't give up. I gave up like for 1 year straight because I didn't really like reading essay hota hai. I got that misconception until I picked or I got to know what my favorite genre is. So singing will happen for you, so don't give up. Initial में थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा to settle down to your favorite genre. No, finding favorite genre is a journey. You have to read to come across some of the books which you don't like at all. Uske baad hi you will land up to the genres that you like. So the same happened for me. So Thora, you have to be patient while you're reading books, while exploring. So being a beginner is exploring. That's it. And once you find more books which you like, and you will stick up to it. The second one is start small. Don't indulge yourself into some of the books which are like 400 pages, 500 pages. So now I think I'm reading this book, and it's been like 1 week and I didn't complete this book, and I think I'm at the page number 359. I'm here, this this one, and I'm gonna complete it, but it took me, and it's taking more than 1 week. So what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't matter you're a beginner, it doesn't matter you are a intermediate or advanced. Once you're beginning your reading journey, don't yourself try to pick up something which is very broader and mainly classics. That's one of the biggest mistakes that I did while I was starting my reading journey. I picked this Sherlock Holmes, and it was so hard for me to pick up क्या हो रहा है, and the language was so hard. And मुझे लगा था कि this is what thriller मतलब, you know, मुझे पता था कि I love thriller, but I thought thriller मतलब Sherlock Holmes, because people said that yeah, you should read Sherlock Holmes if you're a beginner. No, you are a reader and you want to jump into the thriller genre, I would highly recommend you to try this author called as Frida McFadden. Her books are beginner friendly. It will just blow your mind off, and believe me that it doesn't matter. Her books are around like within 300 pages. It might sound a lot for a beginner, but it's completely fine when it comes to her book. Because I do not recommend a 300 page uh, book, okay, to a beginner, but when I'm recommending it, it's obviously going to be worth it. So some of the suggestions that I would like to give is Never Lie, Housemaid, Co-worker, you should read, and Teacher. I love these things. And usse zyada bhi hai The Crash and all, but these are the things. But I highly recommend the Teacher book for you all guys. That is just amazing. Yeah, you can start with some of the short stories, novellas matlab you'll have like many short stories combined into one book. But I will not recommend you guys to read any classics. Then next is make a habit of reading at least 20 minutes. मैंने ये shorts में भी बताया होगा. You have to make a habit no matter what. Make a commitment to. ये थोड़ा harsh लगेगा, थोड़ा force लगेगा. It's just temporary, because once you find your genre, the genre which you like, there's no going back. तो आप automatically पढ़ना चालू हो जाओगे. Like you'll automatically, it won't feel like a work. It would feel like this is my me time, and I'm reading a book. वैसा लगता है. So you can do that. Make a habit for the initial days. For 3 months it could be, until the time period might vary, but until you find your genre, you have to make this as your practice. Next is, don't be feeling low ki, after seeing all the YouTubes, people are reading a book within like 2 days, even within a day. Like, it's impossible. Speed of reading, varies from people to people. And it doesn't matter that the person who is reading a book within 3 days is the best reader. No one's going to give the word. But what I'm trying to say is, even this is मैं बता रही हूँ ना, it took me a week to read. I mean, I have not still completed, but hopefully I will complete it by today. 50 more pages are left. But what I'm trying to say is, this is not a competition. You have the entire freedom. How many ever time you want to take, you take. And the thing is, you have to love this book. If you don't love this book, it's okay. Jump on to the next book, dude. No one's going to judge you. People have created a trend that read a book within 2 days is the trend. It's a big achievement. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Slow reader को कोई recognizing नहीं करता. Even I'm a slow reader. I cannot read 40-50 books in a day. Sorry, in a year. But if it was a thriller, I can try. But I will not surely say that I can. But people are reading other genres of the book section which they don't like, and I'm not a person. If I don't like this book, I'll drop it. Yeah, I have to tell about this book right now, but the video will be kind of longer, so I don't want to make this difficult. So मैं एक अलग video बनाऊंगी for this particular book. So yeah, that's all about it. And if you like this video, please do subscribe, and also do leave your opinion on the comment section. Bye.